Hi, I'm Jacob from Data4SEO. Now it's 2025, and surprise, surprise, despite many people knowing the value of clean on-page SEO, they still waste hours manually auditing websites, trying to keep up with growing technical demands and complex site structures. If you don't want to be unproductive this year, then watch this video. Today, I'm introducing you to Data4SEO's on-page API, your go-to API for automating on-page SEO audits with a payment per request. On-page API is designed to automate the tedious parts of on-page SEO audits. Here's what it can do. Analyze meta tags like title, description, and H1. Check status codes to identify errors like 404 or 500. Inspect your website's linking structure, both internal and external, to eliminate broken links, orphan pages, or overly deep linking structures. Measure page speed and identify performance bottlenecks. Detect duplicate content and canonical tag issues. On-page API uses a reset architecture, enabling seamless data exchange via the HTTP protocol. Results are delivered in structured JSON format for easy integration and analysis. The API supports real-time auditing of up to thousands of pages per request, delivering insights across more than 120 on-page parameters. If you're curious about how APIs work in SEO software, check out our blog post. The link is in the description. Real-world example, finding links to broken pages. Let's try to find broken pages on the clanlanguageschools.com website. We'll use the on-page API and Postman to manage API calls and gather the necessary data. Open Postman and go to the Post Task Post endpoint in the on-page API. In the Body tab, input the JSON request. Make sure the authorization credentials API, username, and password are set. Click Send. Copy the task ID. Retrieve the task summary. Go to the Get Summary Task ID endpoint. Replace task ID in the URL with the task ID. Click Send. Review the response to check the status of the crawl. Analyze the summary data. Look for specific indicators in the summary such as is broken, filter pages with errors. Switch to the Post Pages endpoint. In the Body tab, add filters to identify pages with specific issues. Click Send to retrieve detailed data about the filtered pages. Inspect the results. In the response, review details such as URLs, HTTP status codes, and error types. For each URL flagged as broken, visit the page in a browser to confirm the issue. For example, see a 404 error. Done. Repeat this and then compile a list of broken pages, their URLs, and error details. On-page API is especially valuable for SEO professionals managing large websites or working with clients who expect fast results. Instead of manually auditing every page, the API lets you scale effortlessly, analyze thousands of pages in minutes, focus on fixes, spend your time resolving issues, not finding them, and stay ahead. Run recurring automated audits to catch problems before they affect rankings. On-page API uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, offering flexibility for both small and large projects. The cost of one crawled page is the basic price for using on-page API, and it's $0.000125. The final cost will depend on the number of crawled pages and additional parameters enabled for the crawl. With Data4SEO's on-page API, you can automate the most time-consuming parts of on-page SEO. If you're ready to bring automation into your SEO workflows, sign up for Data4SEO and start using the on-page API today. Links to resources and documentation are in the description below. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.